Alexa, start Coredy R750. This vacuum has changed my life. It automatically runs from room to room. It gets all those really hard to reach places. It even mops. I really like their 24/7 customer service and lifetime technical support. Coredy keeps my house cleaner, so I get to spend more time doing the things that I love.
Hi, my name is David. I'm an iRobot field marketing representative. Today I'm going to go over the Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. The Roomba 675 is a great unit and a great fit for anybody who's looking at keeping their floors clean. The Roomba does work great on carpeted flooring, rugs, and even hard floors. Let's go over some key features and benefits of the Roomba 675. One of the key features of the 675 is a 3-stage cleaning system. This system allows the Roomba 675 to clean everything from small dust to large debris with the patented system. This Roomba comes with 2 multi-surface brushes that will grab everything from small dust to large debris from your carpets and your floors. The first brush will loosen and lift the dirt, while the second one pulls it in to be suctioned up. Now what we have here is the edge sweeping brush. This brush is specially designed to help remove debris that's alongside your walls, but also in the corners of your homes. It'll push all debris outside of those elements and into the cleaning path of the Roomba. iRobot's patented dirt detection sensors will recognize when an area is just a little bit dirtier and will concentrate in that area a little bit longer. Now this Roomba does come with iAdapt navigation. It's a reactive navigation system that's using its intelligent sensors to help guide the Roomba around furniture. As you can see here, the Roomba is moving around the legs of the chairs here. The sensors also are allowing the Roomba to make 60 decisions per second to adapt to its home, but also to help clean your floors a little bit more thoroughly. With iRobot's simple operation, all you have to do is press the clean button and watch your Roomba go to work.